Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to install the Olixar full cover glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, after which I'll be putting it through its paces and letting you know what I think. Before the protector can be applied, you'll need to make sure that your Note 9 screen is cleaned and ready for installation. Thankfully, Olixar provide you with all the tools that you'll need. Starting off with their cleaning wipe, you can remove the majority of dirt and fingerprints. You'll then need to take the microfiber cloth and begin wiping down in order to dry the display, as well as removing any more stubborn marks. What's left is to simply use the dust removal sticker like so, as this will save you having to touch your screen directly and also allows any final pieces of dirt and dust to be lifted away. With all the cleaning complete, you can now focus on the protector itself. Removing the protective backing like so will allow you to start lowering the protector into place, paying close attention of course to the sensors in order to get the correct alignment. Don't worry if you do get the alignment slightly wrong, as you can lift away the protector like so for another attempt, so long as you haven't smoothed down the edges to adhere the protector. When you do have the protector in place and you're happy with its alignment, then simply smooth around the top, bottom and sides like so. This will complete the installation process and leave you with a fully covered Note 9 that's ready to be used straight away. The protector provides really good peace of mind once on, as the protection provided is exceptional. Guarding against drops and scratches, your Note 9 stunning and large display will stay in perfect condition for even longer with the protector applied. Another great thing about the protector is its clarity and responsiveness. Like all Olixar protectors, the end result leaves you with an almost invisible finish, allowing you to operate your phone like you would normally, all while the phone stays protected. This all combines to make typing long text and viewing media a really pleasurable experience with no frustration at all. Although as always, I do recommend turning on Samsung's touch sensitivity setting, as Samsung have developed this for use with protectors of this nature to further ensure a totally responsive feel. While not advertised as case compatible, the full cover will still work with a wide range of cases. The Olixar full cover represents a perfect way to provide your entire screen with protection while still maintaining the overall look and feel of your Note 9. For more information on the Olixar full cover glass screen protector for the Note 9, please see the link in the description and the comments below.